All that news, welcome back to my channel. I cooked Nasi Goreng finally. I don't even know. Nasi Goreng? In Japanese we say Nasi Goreng. I still don't understand the differences like Sambal fried rice and Nasi Goreng. Today I went to get this Sambal bajak combination chili. Kokita-san. Hola, Kokita-san. Hello. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I have to completely be honest with you. Actually, I've taken this introduction already. I cooked and I ate the Nasi Goreng already. But the stupid Yuya deleted the data. So this Kokita-san is already open. I have watched several YouTube videos and tried to figure out what is sambal. But I couldn't, so I went to Indonesian supermarket in Osaka and asked the Indonesian lady what I should buy to make Nasi Goreng. And she said I need this one, this sambal, and this kind of shrimp paste cube. Yeah. She said it has very strong smell, but I like this kind of very strong smell. Even nampura, or I can eat natto as well, so I don't mind it. Today I realized one thing. It's been almost 1.5 years since I came back to Japan. I realized not many supermarkets have red chili, the fresh one. So I couldn't find red chili, so I bought this one. Instead of using red chili, I'm not very sure if you use this kind of stuff, but yeah, this time I'm gonna use this. And also, about shallot. I don't think I've ever seen shallot in Japan. I didn't even know what shallot is, so I went to several supermarkets, but I couldn't find it. I just found red onion. It's also kind of rare in Japan. We only use white onions, just normal one. I know this is not the authentic recipe, but I just want to, share how I cook the Nasi Goreng in Japan. Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce this one, bango. It's a sweet soy sauce, right? I didn't know about this soy sauce either, but the Indonesian lady just told me this is one of the best products, so I just bought it. I hope you guys won't get offended even if I make some shitty Nasi Goreng, okay? I'm just trying to share how a Japanese guy cook Nasi Goreng in Japan. Even without knowing how it might look like or taste like. It's a big challenge, but I hope you can enjoy it, okay? Let's start cooking. Some chicken leg, shrimp. This is good. They're from Indonesia. That's great. Of course, yellow frozen garlic. I don't know how to call this in English, but it's kind of pea. I was looking for shallot, but I couldn't find it. So, yeah, I will just use this red onion. I don't even know how shallot tastes, but I hope they are very similar. Tomato, Japanese cucumber, and lemon for garnish. Eggs and leftover Japanese rice. What kind of rice do you use? I'll show you. This is very common rice in Japan. Not very slim, kind of chubby one. Let's cut the ingredients. Chop and mince the garlics. Done. 1/4 of red onion. I will just use 4 of them. I also want to make small salad, so yeah, get some, we say sunny lettuce. Tomato and cucumber for garnish. The rest for salad. And I also think I need something yellow, so put some lemon as garnish. Okay, veggies are ready. Okay, now salad is ready to go. Before start cooking, I have to taste these items. So soy sauce first. Okay, I think I know this kind of stuff. It's kind of similar to Chinese, very thick soy sauce. Got it. How about this one? Kokita-san. Konnichiwa. I've never seen this before. It smells like so southeast. Let me taste. It's not very salty and super spicy. I like it, I like it. And chili sauce. No, of course not. Yeah. Right? I like this one. I really like this one. Good. Now I'm kind of worried about him. I've never seen you before. What's your name? Terasi Udang. Okay, nice to meet you. One egg for fried egg and one is for just fried rice. Garlic, chicken, shrimp, onion, and rice and everything. Okay. I forgot to promote Asahi. I wish I had red chili, but don't have it today. Chicken and salt and pepper. And shrimp. I want to add some sake. We have white wine. It's gonna be good as well. Put a little bit sambal. I don't know how much to put. How about this? Maybe a little bit more. Oh yeah, now it reminds me of my backpack trip in Southeast Asian countries. Oh, good. Not bad. Oh, I forgot to put onion. Fuck. And this pea, sweet soy sauce. How much? Like this. Add half of the shrimp paste. Like this. Half of it. Now I guess my neighbors realize that this motherfucker is cooking something Southeast Asian thing. Okay, they are ready. So put rice here. Before that, put some eggs. Okay. And rice as well. Okay. Does this look familiar to you? Smells good, very good. Let me taste some. Not spicy, not salty at all. With more sambal. This soy sauce. And spicy sauce as well. How about this? How about now? Better. I know you want me to put some MSG. As normal though. Okay. That's it. It's more than enough. Okay, now it's ready. Now I remember I need to make fried egg. Okay, done. It looks like this. Can't see the rice. Yeah, this. Not bad. Let's try. Let's try. Okay, let me try this. It's normal Nasi Goreng very sweet. I think this Nasi Goreng is very sweet. Should I put more sambal? But the flavor of the shrimp and the sambal and the soy sauce is great. I think I need a little bit more chili sauce. I really like spicy things. Better. I only know Japanese or Chinese style chow fan, fried rice. Today was my first challenge, so please don't get offended, okay? I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and visit our website. You can see a lot of cute kokeshi dolls, okay? Thank you for watching and see you next time.